Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna see that how we can add some kind of sharpness or HDR effect to our images without distorting them, without losing the quality of the image. So what we have to do, I'm pressing Ctrl plus J at the same time, so it will copy our layer. After that we have to go to filter and then click convert for smart filters. Click OK. You can see that our new layer is converted in kind of smart object. Now double click here and this will open our image in new window. What we have to do now, go to image, go to adjustment and then click on HDR toning. You can see our new window is open. Default one always works best because Photoshop automatically detects where it can work to make the image perfect. So I guess this is fine, but let's try some others as well. City twilight, flat, monochrome artistic, and let's try this one as well. This one is my favorite actually, so let's see. This working fine, but it depends what kind of image you are using because it always varies. You can see photorealistic high contrast, this works most of the images, but I don't think that this will work on this image, but let's give a try. Okay, fine. You can see that effect is fine, but the car, as it's black, the car handles gone, and it's not look very good. So let's stay on default and click OK. Now go to file and click on save. Now go to our original work and you can see our effect is added. To check how much it affected our image, I am hiding my new layer. Now you can see a very soft and clean effect is added to the photo and make it a lot sharp and more clean and more good for movies manners, of course. Thanks for watching.